Hey guys, this is my 1998 Ford Ranger XLT. It's got the 3.0 in it, and today I disconnected the muffler from it, and I kind of like it, honestly. I'm thinking about later on I'm just putting in, like, doing this for a little bit, you know, not too long, but after this I'm gonna get a Super 10 in it. But yeah, I'll start off for you guys. I just disconnected it. I didn't like take off the whole muffler because I'm planning on putting it back on eventually. I don't know. I might keep it like it sound. I swear, there it is. Yep, that's it, guys. It's only got 92,000 miles. It's a pretty nice truck. Thanks, guys.